Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, let us see how we can prevent spam comments on our website. So as soon as you make any kind of WordPress website, you will definitely find that there are multiple comments on a regular basis on your website, on your blog posts. So in this particular video, we'll discuss 5 ways how you can prevent these spammy comments in your WordPress website. So let us get started with it. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Now in this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can add a reCAPTCHA in our WordPress website. Now this is how a typical reCAPTCHA looks like. So if you are using any kind of contact form or a lead generation form in your WordPress website, there are possibilities that you are getting a lot of spammy comments. Now these are ideally comments which are coming from anonymous sources, and these are ideally sent by spammy bots. Now this comments can be prevented using a simple reCAPTCHA button over here. Now in this particular video, we'll see how we can add this reCAPTCHA in our WordPress website. I'll be adding the reCAPTCHA in this beautiful WordPress website over here. Now as you can see, this is an Elementor based WordPress website, and if I scroll down, I'll find that there is a contact form over here and there is no reCAPTCHA at this moment. I'll be adding a reCAPTCHA, and in this live demonstration you can learn how you can add reCAPTCHA in your WordPress website. Now before I take you to the reCAPTCHA portal, let me just quickly clarify this, that in Elementor, reCAPTCHA version 2 is what is supported. Now at the current moment, reCAPTCHA version 3 is the latest one. I'll share the link to this particular portal and you can read about different reCAPTCHA variants that are available out there. Now in this video, I'll be using reCAPTCHA version 2 because I'm using Elementor and Elementor supports version 2. And in case you're using a custom coded website and not WordPress, in that case, I'll be sharing this particular link from Code Labs from Google developers, and you can get a step-by-step process on how to add this reCAPTCHA on your custom coded website. You can copy this source code from here. You will have the detailed step-by-step process listed in this particular portal. The link is down in the video description. Now for WordPress websites, you can simply search for reCAPTCHA on Google and you'll land up on this particular page, or I'll also share this particular link on the description. As you land up on this particular page, click on admin console. As you click on admin console, you will land up on this page where you can register a new property, that is a new website. So I'll simply select the right email address that I have, and if you look at this, I can have a quick look at the last 90 days performance. So I can see that there were around 350 sessions in the last 90 days in this particular website, and what are the different sessions, what are the different comments that were passed and that were checked by the reCAPTCHA. Now let me quickly add one new site over here. You can, under one account, you can create multiple websites of yours. Now in this case, I'm already having 3 websites and I'll add one more website right now. I'll simply click on plus button over here and I'll land up on this registration page for a new website. So I'll just name my new property addition, that is new website addition. And I'll check version 2 because this is what supported in Elementor latest version, and then I will just simply check for I'm not a robot kind of checkbox. I like this method, that's why I have selected I am not a robot checkbox. You can also select the other options, you can also experiment out with the other options, and then I'll have to add on the domain. I'll simply get back to this, I'll copy the domain name and I'll put the domain name over here and click on add. So the domain name is added over here, and if I scroll down, I can see my Gmail address over here. If I want, I can add more owners over here. I can accept the reCAPTCHA terms and condition. You can read it in detail and then submit. So here, as I have created this account, I'm getting my site key and also the secret key. I'll simply copy the site key over here. So I'll move on to my WordPress dashboard. So in WordPress dashboard, head on to Elementor, and under Elementor, get into settings. So as you get into settings, you'll find that there is a tab called integrations. Click on integrations and you'll find the reCAPTCHA version 2. So site key I have copied and I'll simply paste the site key over here. Secret key, I'm copying it, and again I will paste the secret key in my Elementor integration dashboard. So I have added these 2, site key and secret key, and then I'll scroll down and hit save changes. So right now, reCAPTCHA version 2 is integrated with my Elementor based WordPress web. So I can go ahead and add the reCAPTCHA in my form. So let me open up the Elementor editor for this particular page. I can simply scroll down to the form over here. Now select the edit form icon over here. As you click on this edit form icon, you'll have the form fields opening up in the left hand panel. Click on add item, and under this, from the drop down, select reCAPTCHA. I've selected the reCAPTCHA over here, and you'll find automatically the reCAPTCHA button is showing up in the form. Now if you want any label, you can rename it. This label name just helps you identify what is the form field all about. So you can put it something of your wish so that you can identify what is it all about. And you'll find that you have the option to make it compact, make it normal, make it light, or make it dark. Now this is a feature from Google reCAPTCHA developer itself. If you look at this particular portal over here, Google says how exactly this can be added to your WordPress website, and also they have two particular themes, light and darker themes. So lighter and darker themes. So this is how you can add reCAPTCHA to your WordPress website.